Thankful for?
My brother.
You're thankful for your brother? Anything else?
And my guinea pig.
Oh, those are nice things to be thankful for. Are you going to sit and have a nice Thanksgiving dinner?
Uh-huh.
And Matthew, what are you thankful for?
My nothing.
My nothing?
I'm thankful for my Nana.
And your Nana?
Oh, how nice.
That's very nice. I'm thankful for your Nana too. I'm thankful for Uncle Jason for all the work he did in the house.
I'm thankful for him too.
You are too?
Mommy. Yeah. Mommy.
Yes.
I'm thankful for.
You're going to be silly, I can tell.
Does your face hurt because you're so silly?
You love your joke.
What are you thankful for? Make sure it's not potty.
I'm thankful for my.
I think I should turn this off before you ruin it.
Thankful for your laugh.
Hiccups.
I'm thankful. I'm thankful. I'm thankful.
You just like to be on the camera, don't you?
I'm thankful for my. Shout it out, Matthew. My belly
button, your belly button. That's a good thing to be thankful for. You know what? If you didn't have a belly button, then you wouldn't have your life because that's how you lived in Mommy's belly.
I'm thankful for my belly button. No, I'm thankful for my.
Well, I see right here what you're thankful for. You said you're thankful for your family, and you said, "Dear Mom and Dad, I love you so much. You are the best parents ever. I am so thankful for you. Love, Matthew." And I think that's the best thing to be thankful for.
Is it still on?
Let's take a picture of us doing kisses.
Alright, pick your seat.